Hello friends, welcome to Chef Imam's NZ. Today I'm going to show you a very famous Italian dish called calzone. Now calzone originally is a type of folded pizza which is cooked in the oven. Now today the variety that I'm showing you is a vegetarian type. Since yesterday I showed you chicken quesadilla, I thought it's nice to show you something vegetarian. So for that, all the ingredients that we need is a same pizza dough recipe that I have shown you in my past videos. I'll put the link down in the description below, so you can just go and check that recipe out. Now before you start making your calzone, you should have this dough ready. Whatever prep, veg wise or non-veg wise, you want to use, you can get that ready as well. Now I'll just quickly run you through the ingredients that we need. So to begin with, we need some pizza dough. I have made this about 2 hours ago and it's proving now for nice 2 hours. Then since we are making a vegetarian version, I'm using as many vegetables were available in my fridge. So I'm taking some mushrooms, some fresh basil leaves, some carrot, which I have grated, then some minced garlic, bell peppers, red and yellow, some onions, and some tomatoes which we'll use when we are layering them, and some corn. Now we also need some cheese which helps in binding. Now originally we use ricotta in this recipe, but since I didn't have any, I'm using plain mozzarella. Some tomato sauce, it's a homemade tomato sauce. I'll show you in one of the episodes how I made it, and some extra virgin olive oil. Now first I will just knock the air out of my dough and then give it a light knead. Now we need to proof the dough after portioning for another 40-45 minutes. So I have knocked the air out of my dough and I've given a light knead, and now I'm going to divide it 1 by 2. So I'm just giving a light cut to my dough so it comes nice and smooth on the top surface. And there you have it, your first portion dough ball is here. We'll repeat the same process with the second one. Okay, now both our dough balls are portioned. Now I will just put a clean wrap, but before that I'll just drizzle some oil so that it won't stick as it rises to the cling film. So just take a few drops and smother it on top. Now I have put a cling film on the portion dough balls and I'll keep it in a warm place for another 40 minutes. So that will be our second proving. We'll get the filling ready. Now I've taken some extra virgin olive oil in a heated pan, and to that I will be adding some minced garlic. Just brown your garlic really well, it gives nice flavor to your filling. Okay, now our garlic is smelling really nice. It's been browned really well. Now to that I'm adding some sliced onions. These are about 2 small size onions. If you have a bigger one, just use one. Once your onions are nicely softened, that's when you add your bell peppers. I've also added some corn kernels to my bell pepper addition. Adding my sliced mushrooms. Then I'm adding half carrot which I have grated. Now to my sauteed veggies, I will be seasoning them with some salt, pepper and some mixed dry herbs. And just before we take it off the heat, I will lightly tear some fresh basil leaves and add that to the mix. Okay guys, so our dough has proofed for the second time and it's nicely risen. So now we will start shaping the calzones. I've lightly floured the surface, and to that I will be adding my pizza dough. Now just try to stretch your dough a little bit and roll it. Now guys, our dough has been rolled nicely. Now, since it's a folded pizza, we will be putting all the fillings just on the half side of your dough. Put about 1 to 2 tablespoonful of your tomato sauce. Then you add your veggie mix. Now usually I use chicken. You can also add beef if you eat red meat, or lamb mince, and then use it as a filling. Then I'm putting some tomatoes, sliced tomatoes. You can put some extra fresh basil leaves if you like. Cheese, be quite generous with that. And a good drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Then fold over your dough just like that. Press it down at the ends. And then simply, just in an overlapping pattern, bring the ends towards the inside, just so that it will seal properly, and while baking it won't open up and your fillings won't come out. Now I have lined my baking tray with some semolina. If you have polenta, the instant one, you can just use that since they're quite small and granular, but I had some semolina, so I just used that. Now one tip, just before you put it in the oven, just give a light snip. This will prevent your pastry in first place to puff up, and also not to allow the steaming of the vegetables which are already cooked. Now I have preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius. So we will be cooking our calzones for about 25 to 30 minutes depending how fast your oven is. So I'll first try 25 minutes at 180 degrees and then I'll check. There goes the babies. Now we will check on our calzones. They look beautiful. So friends, our calzones are ready. It took me in total about 40-45 minutes to cook these size of calzones. If you make them smaller, it will cook much more faster, like 25 minutes to 30 minutes. Like I said, it also depends on the type of oven you have at home. So you can just play around with the size and the temperature time of cooking your calzones. So happy cooking!